There were several remarkably close calls with trees toppling onto cars. This was the scene in Reading tonight. Amazingly, no one was seriously injured there. Tiffany Chan is in Reading with more on that driver's brush with Mother Nature.
These ferocious winds causing a lot of damage across Massachusetts. Take a look at this massive tree here in Reading that smashed through the roof of this Honda sedan. The owner says the impact was so strong she felt her entire home shake. You can hear the wind howling as Nancy Cole showed us her front yard littered with tree branches, and in her driveway, mangled metal and shattered glass.
It's just one of those thank God moments. I wasn't there.
The high winds knocked down this monster of a tree at around 10 this morning, crushing her Honda sedan just feet from her Reading home. It's a miracle, Nancy says, that she wasn't in the car.
If I'd been earlier than that, maybe the car wouldn't have been there, but I was where I'm supposed to be.
Another close call, this time in Milton, where a 700-pound tree tangled up and live wire fell on this SUV, trapping 2 people inside.
They pushed the windshield into the car itself. We used the jaws of life to basically pop the door off.
It took firefighters just 4 minutes to pluck the 24-year-old driver and 4-year-old little girl from the car. Milton's deputy fire chief says both walked away with just minor scratches.
They're very lucky. They were probably, literally a foot away from, having serious injuries.
And telling by all of this damage, both parties were indeed very lucky.
Nobody's hurt. We're going to get through this. It's okay. It's just a car.
Nancy says this tree will be removed tomorrow morning. Certainly a lengthy cleanup for residents here in Reading. I'm Tiffany Chan for WBZ News.